All right, think about this. Save yourself some gas this week and instead fuel your trip to work Friday with a little sweat.
It's free. Friday is National Bike to Work Day, and many employees in Memphis plan to pedal their way to the office. They hope the event will jumpstart a new commuting lifestyle in the Bluff City.
News Channel 3's Daniel Height gets us geared up for the big ride.
Dawn Benson heads out early for her commute to work. Her choice of transportation, a mountain bike.
I mean, sometimes the birds are singing, the wind's blowing, and I think this is great.
Dawn makes a 19-mile commute from Hickory Hill to where she works on Main Street, the downtown Memphis Commission.
I try to do it whenever I want to, just to keep it fun, but at least once or twice a week, and sometimes more than that if the weather is nice.
But who wants to arrive sweaty for work? Dawn has figured out a way to make bicycle commuting work for her in the mornings.
I don't want to have to carry a change of clothes, so I like to ride in just what I normally have on, and in the mornings doing 19 miles in my regular clothes is a bit much. I won't be very pretty when I get to work, so I hitch a ride with Matta in the mornings, and that lessens my commute.
But at the end of the day, Dawn rides all 19 miles home. She is hoping thousands will sign up and join her on Friday, May 18th for Bike to Work Day, an event she helped organize for those who need a jump start to riding their bike to work.
I'm hoping to see cyclists everywhere, all over the city, not just downtown, coming into and out of downtown, just a celebration of bicycle commuting.
Marvin Stockwell also makes biking to work a priority. He works at the Church Health Center, which will be one of the recharging stations along the way. He says biking to work is a great opportunity for many in Memphis. It's affordable, time-effective, a better environmental choice, and not to mention healthier.
We're one of the least healthy cities in the United States. How do we get off those unhealthy lists? More exercise, healthier living. A bicycle is a great way to do that.
Marvin says his commute often becomes his time to work out because much of his free time is spent with his wife and 3 young children. He says you don't need spandex and a bike made of carbon fiber to make the commute.
This is the same old rickety bike I've had for 10 to 12 years. It gets me from point A to point B. It's nothing fancy. And most days I ride to work in my work clothes.
Bike to Work Day will be filled with events like a bicycle expo in Court Square at lunchtime, an event filled with music, food, and goodies. Dawn just hopes the camaraderie formed on the 18th will convert many to a new commuting lifestyle.
I hope that for first-time commuters, with the fact that there will be so many cyclists on the street, I hope that that's a supportive environment and that they have a positive experience and that they'll think about doing it more often.
Well, if gas prices go up much more, I'm telling you what, that'll be the thing that'll get people going. That was Daniel Height reporting. And if you want to bike to work Friday, it is a good idea to start planning your route today.
Also, make sure your tires are pumped up and that you have a way to lock up your bike during work. And don't forget, you do need a helmet.
That's right. We'll be posting a link to more information about Bike to Work Day on WREG.com. Just click on the On-Air tab at the top of the page, and then today's date. I had no idea Matta buses featured a bike rack, so you could ride in.
I've seen them once or twice. I don't know if all of the buses have them, but I've seen many where they...
That's the way to do it.
I'm sure they'll be expanding that as more people really kind of join this movement.
I would have never thought of that before until our friend and cohort, Jim Jaggers, whenever he gets ready to train for his, 333 miles.
Go
Jim, go. He oftentimes will ride into work to train for that. I'm thinking to myself, man, I don't know if I could.
That's a long ride.
I'm on the road closer to 2:30 in the morning. It's kind of dark and probably a little bit more dangerous.
Don't do it, Todd.
But, that is a great idea, and I hope a lot of people take advantage of it.
A good way to get in shape, it is.